Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everybody? Hope you are fine, all of you. Our first question here is about Ali measured the height of all trees in his backyard. The question is, how many trees in all? When he is asking here, in all, so he mean by this that he want all of the trees that we have. So I will start to count all of the plots that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer here is choice D, 12 trees. Next question. Question 2. He's asking here about the difference between the longest throw and the shortest throw. Whereas the longest throw here is 50. Yes, this one is 50. And the shortest one is 30. He's asking about the difference, so I'm gonna to subtract 50 minus 30. So the answer is 20. So the choice here should be a choice C, 20 meters. Next question. Question number 3 is asking here what was the distance of the longest throw. The longest throw, as you see, is 50. So here the answer should be a choice D, 50 meters. Next question. In question 4, he is asking what was the most common throw. The most common throw here, the one which it has lots of plots. Where is here lots of plots? As you see, lots of plots here, the highest one that it has lots of X. So this one is it has lots of X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's or 5 plots. So the most common one is 35. So the answer in this case is 35 meters. In case he needs the one which it has the least common means the one which it has least number of plots, which is, we have here two answers, 41 and 44, but he needs the most common means the one which it has lots of plots. Let's go to next question. Question number 5. In question 5 we have a data here. On that data he's asking us a few questions. Question number 5, he's asking about 8. He's asking if it was outlier or not. Do we have any 8 here? The idea is we don't have 8, and even if we have 8 is not very different because we have here some values like 9 and 8.5. So the answer here should be no. For the outlier, it should be very different. Like, for example, we have a few students in the class, and most of the students, they got 10 out of 10, they got 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. So if a student he got 1 out of 10 or 3 out of 10, this is very different. It's very low. So this one we can name it outlier. Question number 6, he's asking about the difference between the least number and the highest number or the greatest number. He's saying that it's a 4.5. Let's check the greatest. The greatest is from the table here that we have. The greatest is 9. Yeah, this one, the greatest here is 9, and the smallest one is 5.5. Let's circle it here. 9 is our highest, and here is the least. Now mentally, if you subtract them, because difference means to subtract, so 9 minus 5.5, mentally you can do it. So it's gonna be 3.5. Mentally you can do it. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 4 minus half, this will give you 3 and half. Or another way, I will make this 9, I will split it to become 8 and 1. So 8 is 8, and the 1 I will split it as 2 out of 2. Minus 5 and half. Now fraction minus fraction, 2, the same denominator, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. He is saying that it's 4 and half, so he's completely wrong. So the answer here is no. Next question. He's asking us more than half of the plants produced at least 7. What it does mean at least 7? At least 7 means 7 or more. The least value of 7 means 7 or more. So if it was 7, I can accept it. If it was more than 7, I can accept it. But less than 7, I cannot. So at least 7, so this one I can take it. Yeah. 7 I can take it. 5 and a half, no. 6, no. 6 and a half, no. No. 8 and a half, yes. 9, yeah. 6 and a half, no. Yes, 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 yes. 6 and a half, no, because it's less than 7. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of them 15 plant. Is 9, is it more than half of 15? Half of 15 is 7 and a half. So is 9 is more than 7 and a half? Yes, it's more than 7 and a half. That's why we should choose a choice yes. So in that question here, we should choose yes. The greatest weight for the tomato here we have is 9. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct. The greatest value is 9. Let's go to question number 9. In question 9, we have a shaded parts here. Let's count it, because he's asking you to write a fraction and decimal. Let's first write the fraction. As we studied before about the fractions, we will count how many shaded part here. 10. This one consists of 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So it's gonna be a fraction 49 out of total. Total is, if you count those, you will find it 100. So the fraction is 49 out of 100. And the decimal, to write the decimal here, just write the 49. Then how many zeros we have? 1, 2. So I will count 1, then 2, then I will put my decimal point, then I will cover it with the 0. So read it now, 0.49, or you can read it as 49 hundredths. Okay, next question, the same here. 25 out of 100, I need it as a decimal number. To write it as a decimal number, I will write the 25. How many zeros here? 1, 2. So I will count 1, then 2, then put the decimal point, then cover it with 0. Read it 0.25, or you can read it as 25 hundredths. Now, question number 11. On question 11, we have here another kind of questions, which is matching questions. In matching questions here, you should solve all of it. Don't say that we have here 4 questions, so I will solve 3, then the 4th I will join it with the 4th. No, you should solve the 4 questions, because if you have one mistake, if you use it this way, in this case, if you solve only 3, maybe you will have, instead of one mistake, you will have double mistakes. So please solve all of them. Don't solve 3 and join the 4th with the 4th. So I will start solving here. 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. This is the first question. 3 out of 10. I will write the 3. And here 1, 0. So I will count 1. Then put the decimal here. Then cover it to 0. So 0.3. So 3 out of 10 is a 3/10. So it's gonna be 0.3. Yes, I can join these two. Now 30 out of 10. 30 out of 10. Cancel 0 with 0. Now I have a 3 out of 1. 3 out of 1 give you what? Give you 3. So this one is gonna be 3. Now 3 out of 100. 3 out of 100 equals 3 out of 100. I will write the 3. How many zeros? Double zeros. So what I should do is I will count. I need to count it after 2. Let's use another color. Here what we have is only one digit. So one digit, it will cancel 1 0. So what is left here? Only another 0. So I will put it here, then put the decimal. Okay, then after it, cover it with 0. So the answer is 0.03300. So let's join. Yes, this one with this one. Now most of the students, they will join the fourth with the fourth. Now I'm asking you to solve it by yourself. 300 divided by 10. So I will cancel a 0 with a 0 here, 1 0 here, cancelled, another 0 there. So now we have 30 out of 1. 30 out of 1 will give us what? Yes, 30. So now, yeah, I'm completely sure that it's 30. Question number 12. In question 12, what is the least common distance here? Least common means the one which it has the least number of plots, or the least number of dots that we have. This one have 2, 2. This one has 1. Yeah, so this one is the least one. 3 out of 4. So the answer is 3 out of 4 miles. Next question, or the last question, which is question number 13. We have here a line plot. What was the most common throw? The most common throw, the one which has lots of plots, which is 35. So our answer here is 35 what? Yes, this one. 35. What unit? Meters. Thanks for watching, and have a nice quiz inshallah. See you later guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.